Now I will show you the easiest way to add digital signature in your PDF file. First of all, on your mobile, you have to open Acrobat Reader app. So go to your Play Store and search for Acrobat Reader, and all you have to need install this Adobe Acrobat Reader app on your phone. Once the app successfully installed, just launch the Acrobat app. And now if your first time, it may ask you to log into your account. So all you have to need, just create a free account and just log into your account. Now just tap on this plus icon and here select open file and select a file to open. I'm selecting on this device, and here I'm just selecting the PDF from my Files app, and now here we can see the PDF add date. Now to add a signature, just zoom in first of all where you want to add a signature, then tap on fill and sign, and here select this pen tool or signature icon and tap on add signature, and simply rotate your phone just like so. And now all you have to need, draw your signature here. If you want to retype or redraw your signature, just tap on this clear option to clear the signature. And then if you want, you can add an image to your signature from here, or you can instantly capture an image by tapping on camera. Once you're happy with your signature, just tap on done. And now to add the signature, just tap on the space, and here you can see the signature add date. Now using this icon, you can easily resize your signature just like so. You can also change signature position, and once you're happy, just tap on done, and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully added a signature to my PDF. Now it's time to export the edited PDF. So tap on the share icon, and here you will find a bunch of different options. You can directly share your PDF, or just tap on this three dot and tap on save a copy, and on this device select, and you can change the PDF name from here. Tap on done, and here you can see the PDF successfully exported, and here you can see the final result.